The 7 levels in the hierarchy of taxa are kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. If you want an easy way to remember this, you can remember the mnemonic, kids prefer candy over fresh green salad. The first letter in each of the words of the mnemonic corresponds to the first letter in each of the 7 taxa. Let's use Carl Linnaeus, the father of modern taxonomy, as an example of a human and do the hierarchy of taxa for humans. So the full identification of humans according to the 7 taxa is Animalia, Chordata, Mammalia, Primate, Hominidae, Homo and Sapiens. Note that the genus and species need to be either in italics or underlined as I've done here. Again, you could use a mnemonic for remembering the 7 taxa for humans, and an example might be anyone can make pretty healthy hot stew, or you can come up with one of your own. Now for an example from another kingdom. Here I've chosen the garden pea, which is from the plant kingdom. So once again, the full identification using the 7 taxa, but this time for the garden pea. For the garden pea, it's Plantae, Angiospermae, Dicotyledonnae, Rosale, Papilionsae, Pisum, and Sativum. And then for the genus or species, either underline it or put it in italics. See if you can make up your own mnemonic to remember the 7 taxa for the garden pea.